Hey Fox, welcome back to Atarian News Channel, your cozy little corner of the internet where AI, gadgets, gaming, and wild tech stories all come together. We've got fresh news from the past few hours, and it's hotter than your laptop on a Zoom call. Let's jump in. AI can now guess your real age from a selfie. Some researchers cooked up a wild AI tool that can analyze your face and tell how old your body actually is. Not your calendar age, but your biological wear and tear. Is being pitched as a tool for healthcare to help spot cancer risks and tailor treatments. So, yeah, your next checkup might involve a selfie. Just try not to use a filter. Bitmart launches AI Integration Toolkit MCP plus AI. Bitmart's rolling out this thing called MCP plus AI agent, thinking of it like a plug and play AI brain for businesses. Want your logistics to think smarter? Your finances to plan ahead? This tool makes it easier for industries to adopt intelligent systems without coding everything from scratch. Devs rejoice. Great technology showcases lightning fast AI storage in Korea. At AI Expo Korea, Great dropped a bombshell and its ultra fast storage systems built just for AI workloads. It's nerdy stuff, sure, but vital. More speed, less lag, smoother AI ops. Think of it like turbocharging your data pipeline for real time thinking machines. For all gaming guys, May's game releases are absolutely stacked. Gamers, hold on to your wallets. This month's lineup is nasty, in the best way. Revenge of the Savage Planet is releasing on May 8. Doom the Dark Ages is releasing on May 15. Everspace 2 Wrath of the Ancients is releasing on May 12. Lost Soul Aside is releasing on May 30. Elden Ring Night Rain is releasing on May 30. And Dune Awakening is releasing on May 20. So many hours of gaming ahead. Well, you have time to say goodbye to productivity. Singapore wants to be AI's global headquarters. Singapore is doubling down on its AI ambition. It's building out top tier infrastructure and rolling out startup friendly policies to become the launchpad for global AI ventures. Silicon Valley might want to look over its shoulder. Senators, CEOs, and the AI arms race. In Washington, tech giants like OpenAI, Microsoft, and AMD are causing up to lawmakers to discuss AI future. The pitch: keep America competitive in this crazy AI race. Invest in smart tools and smarter regulations, and maybe don't let China take the lead. Intel says PCs aren't just for games, they are AI learning tools. Intel launched a campaign nudging parents to look at PCs not as screen time machines but as tools for AI powered education. This idea, smarter classrooms, more personalized learning, and kids who might actually enjoy homework. It's not just TikTok on a laptop anymore. Apple exec hints iPhones could become obsolete. Eddie Q from Apple hinted that in the next 10 years, we might not need iPhones at all. AI could replace smartphones from wearables, glasses, or who knows what. So enjoy swiping for now. The future might be more hands free than we've ever imagined. Alibaba's deep search AI can answer tougher questions. China's Quark app just launched a deep search feature, combining AI reasoning with traditional search. It's like ChatGPT and Google had a super smart baby. Ask a complicated question, get a coherent, thoughtful answer. Game changer? Family uses AI to bring deceased man into courtroom. This is wild. The family of a man killed in a road rage accident used AI to digitally recreate him for courtroom testimony. It's emotional, eerie, and possibly a new chapter in legal history. Justice with a little help from machine learning. Lenovo launches Legend 9i18 gaming beast. At Tech World Shanghai, Lenovo revealed the Legend 9i18, an absolute unit of a gaming laptop designed for power users, streamers, and devs. It's big, it's fast, and it wants to be your next gaming throne. Sony WH-1000XM6 tease, new king of headphones. Sony teased its next gen noise cancelling headphones, the WH-1000XM6. No details yet, but expectations are sky high. Better sound, smarter AI tuning, and hopefully even comfier ears. Can they top the XM5? We'll find out soon. That's it for now, crew. If your brain's spinning from all that tech, good. That means we did our job. Like, comment, and subscribe for more bite sized brilliance. We'll be back in a few hours when the internet stirs again. Catch you soon on Italian.